Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram can't play video on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down, we will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Telegram app, and this is window. We will go to find Telegram app here and we will click here on Telegram, then we come to this is window and we will click here on force stop, and we will click here on OK, and we will just click here on storage, then we come here to storage window and we will click here on clear cache, and we will click here on manage storage, and you will just go up, you will click here on app, and you will click here on clear local, and turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.